Hello, I'm Felicia Hartson with Cornue. I'm the California Regional Sales Manager for the brand. And I wanted to talk a little bit about the French appliance and its quality. So this is a Château 150, and then we've built a custom island around it. So we just kind of added our cabinetry alongside it and created it in an island. So we built something that had your range, so you can do all of your cooking up here. Gives you some spice racks on the side, gives you maybe some spaces for your pots and pans. And these cabinets, they're full steel cabinets with soft closed drawers. Okay, so this one is our gas oven. This one has all natural convection, so you're gonna cook your Thanksgiving turkey in here. On this one, we offer a brushed brass finish. The handrail is brushed stainless steel, and then your base trim is brushed stainless steel as well. Everything you see in this island is a Cornue piece. So if you have a client that loves to cook but wants something just a little bit more elevated in their kitchen, something that's a focal point, this is so much fun to work with.